3, 2, 1, let's go!
Hey, hey, hey!
What? Yup.
We are in Estonia on a trade mission, and each evening,
Preacher.
we give you our thoughts. We're calling this session Pass the Spoon.
Pass the spoon.
All right. I hope you've been passing the spoon.
Yep.
So I'm going to start the spoon going around here. So, my thought for today. Today we were at Enterprise Estonia.
Yep.
That's true.
And there's a part of Enterprise Estonia. It's like the equivalent of like the Center for Development, both locally and internationally.
Right.
The thing that got me today was the presentation we're given to about startup ecosystems. These guys have an ecosystem that helps and enables businesses to start up, specifically tech businesses, to thrive. But here's the catch. Here's the catch, guys.
Yeah.
The business sector, private sector, have a mafia. They use the word a mafia.
Skype Mafia.
Mafia of people, okay, who pull investors, investor capital. So they do it, and then they make it available for the ecosystem. In other words, you, me, and we have no interest, all right, in benefiting, like us personally benefiting. But because of our integrity, because of our accomplishments and all that, we're able to pool capital, all right, and then make that capital available to other startups. I sat down and I said, you know what?
So they're passing the spoon to others.
They're passing the spoon to others. That's right there. And for me, I'm just thinking, this is just a mindset shift.
Mindset shift.
Mindset shift, right? Mindset shift. To be able to accomplish this, passing the spoon, we gotta just.
That's it. That is where it is.
I'm passing the spoon.
Pass the spoon. First and foremost, Gowi said the exact same thing that I'm going to say, but I'm still going to say it again because it is so powerful. 3 words, people. Estonia, startup, Mafia. Estonia has got 10 unicorns. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, 10. Not 9, 10. Each and every single one of these startups is interconnected because of one thing. It all started from Skype. The guys of Skype went ahead, and instead of them being like deuces, collaboration, these guys are like, listen, now that we know how Stato works,
How this thing works.
now that we know how this thing works, first and foremost, let us put money, let's first run back home. Let's go back where the grass is green. And then let us give them
Pass the spoon.
no, pass the spoon financially. But not only that, let us then pass the spoon through the information and saying, hey, by the way, us guys messed up when we're presenting like this. So when you guys go, present like this. Don't waste your time going to those guys. Those guys are for other guys. In fact, because they're for other guys, let's go and create some other guys who we can connect. It was insane. Every single startup in Estonia exists because of one word and one word only. Remember the other word I talked about in episode 1? Go and watch it in case you want. These guys have really cracked the word.
Another C.
And that word is another C. It's another C-O. It's called collaboration. Pass the spoon.
Pass the spoon. Yo, today I want to pass the spoon to all those people out there who have lost everything. You've lost your job. You've lost your business. You've lost your marriage. You've lost everything. You are on the ground. It is time to start again. And one thing I learned today, nothing is passing.
Train, baby.
Nothing is passing. I learned something today. Never miss the blessing of starting all over again.
That's true.
Listen.
That is something I'm actually taking home.
Yeah. So you guys, I am passing this spoon to you. 20 years ago, Estonia, when it separated from the Soviet Union, it was at the starting point. It had nothing.
1991.
By the way, Estonia has no resources like its
Nada.
neighbor. It is a small country.
Yes.
Got a lot of ice.
Zero. Just 1.3 million people.
That's it.
But then they ask themselves, what do we have?
Uh-huh.
There is only one thing that makes the Estonians stand out. Innovation. Innovation. And guess what? They made this gift to become the biggest thing. Now they are taking innovation to the world.
Wow. Wow.
This is their trading tool. So you who is listening to me, I'm passing this spoon to you.
Yep.
You who has lost everything, what do you have in your hands?
Oh, deep.
That thing, take it global.
Man.
Take it global.
Man.
There's this site called Technopol. Go to that website.
Yeah.
They have an accelerator program for startups.
Yeah.
They have a personalized mentor for everyone who is doing a startup. Go there. You can get a personal mentor. You can start your business and take it global from Estonia to the rest of the world. Pass the spoon.
Pass the spoon. What you gotta say?
It's all right.
Yeah. Take it home.
You are enough. You have always been enough. Even when you have lost everything, you have lost everyone, and you don't know where you stand, you are always enough. What we have learned in Estonia is the people are just like us.
Yep.
They put on their trousers one leg at a time just like we do.
Yeah.
They go to the toilets just like we do.
Yeah.
They feel cold just like we do.
Yeah.
They need someone else just like we do.
Yeah.
They're looking for money just like we do.
Yeah.
And they think just like we do.
Yep.
But you have to recognize that you are enough. Anytime we pass the spoon to you and you're looking for somebody else to help you with the spoon, to carry the weight, to be the source, to stand up and be strong, you forget that you are enough.
Damn.
You only need to believe in yourself. You just need to empower yourself with information. You need to go to all of those websites, watch those videos, follow those people. You just need to empower yourself because you are enough. Anytime a person has a situation, anytime a thing falls apart, anytime an opportunity arises, God is always going to ask you, what do you have in your hand? Because you are enough. So as I pass this spoon on to you, I'm not passing a spoon on to somebody who's incapable, disabled, doesn't know how, doesn't understand where, needs a mentor. I'm passing this spoon to somebody who is enough. You just have to believe it. So as I pass this spoon to you, I am passing this spoon to the most capable, most knowledgeable, most informed, most inquisitive, most curious, and most successful person I know. You. And here is your spoon. Pass it on.
So you can eat. You get my tea as an ice.